how to rate an Uber Eats delivery or leave a tip. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can rate Uber Eats order and leave a tip if you want to thank your delivery driver. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Uber Eats application or visit ubereats.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you have to go to your orders. For that, click on the three-line icon at the top left, head over to orders. Once you're on the order section, you have to select your recent delivery. After that, you could rate your order. When your food arrives or after your food arrives, you will see a rating screen on the Uber Eats. So tap on the stars to rate the delivery, and you could also leave any feedback. You will also see an option as leave a tip option. You can choose the suggested amount or enter the custom tip in order to thank your driver. So in this way, going through your orders list, you could always or you can rate your Uber Eats order and leave a tip. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.